आंध्र प्रदेश में सरमाई इजलास के दूसरे दिन ऐवान में बहस के दौरान साबिक सीएम चंद्रबाबू नायडू और उनकी बीवी पर तंज कसने का मामला तूल पकड़ने लगा है। टीडीपी समेत तमाम अपोजिशन जमातों ने इसके लिए वाईएसआर कांग्रेस को जिम्मेदार बताते हुए इसे रियासत के लिए दागदार दिन बताया। उनका कहना है कि जगनमोहन हुकूमत हर मामले में नाकाम है और इसलिए जाती हमले पर उतर आई है। बता दें कि ख्वातीन पर बहस के दौरान असेंबली ने वाईएसआर अरकान ने नायडू और उनकी अहलिया पर नाजिबा अल्फाज का इस्तेमाल किया, जिसके बाद असेंबली से बाहर निकले चंद्रबाबू नायडू काफी जज्बाती नजर आए और इस दौरान उनकी आंख से आंसू निकल रहे थे। इस मौके पर उन्होंने कहा कि अब जब वे सीएम बनेंगे तभी ऐवान में लौटेंगे।
Ruling party MLAs made very derogatory statements against Sri Nara Chandrababu Naidu and against his wife. So this is very unfortunate, and wantedly today most of the ruling party MLAs made a very bad statements against him, and also Chief Minister and Speaker, Honorable Speaker also indirectly encouraged this kind of statements, and they never regretted for this, and also Speaker denied to delete such kind of derogatory statements from the records. All this is because of to divert the failures of this government since last 2.5 years. Since last 2.5 years, this government failed in all aspects, and everybody knows that since 1956 to 2019, the state government has raised only 3 lakh crores debts. But whereas this present government, YS Jagannath Reddy government, since 2019 till date has raised around more than 3 lakh crores new debt.
This is very bad. Personal allegations, personal are not expected in assembly. Assembly is meant for improvement, meant for development, meant for discussion, meant for democratic discussion, meant for the constitutional proceedings. But not like this. This is nothing but a street fight or a rowdy fight or a muzzle fight. This is not a politics. So people must now any government is forming with 40% and 45% majority only. So the rest of the people who are educated, well people, they are not coming for voting for any favor, either for Telugudesam or YCP or Congress. So the problem is with the non-voters of the people in Andhra Pradesh. They are now recently in recent elections, they have also participated and voted for anti-YCP.
What happened in both assembly and in council, daily derogatory remarks by a lot of members is creating a lot of problem. This is unparliamentary and against democracy also. This kind of a language, this kind of an attitude should not be encouraged by both ruling party and opposition party, and the leaders of both houses should see that this kind of an attitude should not promulgate, and definitely both CM and even the opposition leader should take stock of the things and speak to the members what is respectable and what kind of decorum they should maintain in both houses. So what has happened today is very unfortunate. We want a thorough inquiry into all the proceedings. Definitely there will be complete evidence because recordings of the proceedings will be done. So definitely there should be a high-level inquiry. If somebody is found guilty, he should definitely be suspended. Some action should be taken. Because of that, the stature and the value of the parliamentary democracy will be saved.